makes the game easier to play. The shooting distance has been reduced. Swap. On a one-player game, you can swap with your team partner. Now your experience is about to begin. The question is, are you ready to...
Tell them, say we don't hammer. We just squander money. Never bottle, never. Tell them, say too much money day. Money day. Go tell it on the mountain. Tell them, say we don't hammer. We just squander money. Never bottle.
Hey besties, it's been a minute. Here I was making so many plans about the November vlog. Hey good dude. Hey, what happened to me? See, let me tell you, if you are watching me and if you have, even if it's a little form of likeness, when I say little, no matter how small, if you like me even small, help me say thank you, Jesus, for Ada. Like, thank God for me. I'm not even joking. Either you do it in your heart right now or you put it in the comment section, because thank God for me. Like, if you follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you'd already know what happened, even though you will still not know what happened because I've not really shared about it and I don't think I ever will. But long story short, I had a major health scare. Like, major. But let's move on. Because talking about it is extremely triggering for me because it just reminds me of how scared I was. Like, you know when you're scared that you will not make it. Like, nah, let's not even talk about it. Let's just move on. I really thank God for his faithfulness because one moment I was fine, the next moment, yeah. And something that I learned when I was in the hospital bed is, see, Adaeze Osadebe, enjoy life. Enjoy life. By the way, I'm in Manchester to play. Literally, I'm in Manchester to play. I'm here to play, have fun. See, chop life, enjoy life. So let me take you through.
Tell them, say too much money day. Go tell it on the mountain. Tell them, say we don't hammer. We just squander money. Never bottle, never. Tell them, say too much money day. Go. Tell it on the mountain. Tell them, say we don't hammer.
Good morning, besties. I'm dressed up right now and I'm going to get breakfast. I don't know if I told you, but the name of the hotel I'm in is called Motel 1 in Manchester. Manchester. See, but the body is the tea of this dress. My friend hates this dress, but I like this dress. Checking out now. Come on, beautiful, stunning. Hey, 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 hey. See how beautiful she is. This is fashion queen. Hey besties, I'm at home now. Happy Sunday. I have a one-on-one consultation with one of my besties and let's go. The way you started by saying you are a mother of 2 children. Now your interviewer at that point does not care about that. I feel like the first things you should start talking about are your skills and experiences. The way you start matters a lot. It's just like first impression, it really matters. Once they've called you for that interview, that shows that there is something you have that they already want. Nice speaking with you. Alright. Bye. They've changed, Ryan is bigger. It's actually very beautiful. More vegetables. more everything. People should come to Ryan.
What can I do for you?
£10,000.
£10,000.
Yeah.
So we don't have £10,000. We have 9,999.
Okay, give me half, please.
I'll pay you, no problem.
Yes, thank you. I would have bought £10,000, but instead you don't have. My voice is cracked. I'm on my way to the Igbo community meeting. If you are an Igbo person in Lincoln, you should always join the meeting. I'm extremely late. At this point, I think they're almost closed, actually. We start at 3. Time right now is about some minutes to 6. I almost don't want to go because I've not been feeling my best, but I say I will still go. It's better I go late than not at all. But don't be like me, don't go late. Okay, I look good. Let's get going.
The leaders here registration.
Hey besties, I'm back home. I arrived there very late. I was looking forward to today, but I had to listen to my body because when I woke up today, I wasn't feeling my best, so I had to sleep, like prioritize sleep. So I slept off. That's why I was so late. Anyway, I enjoyed the food, I enjoyed the dancing, I enjoyed meeting new people. It was just beautiful. Anyway,